Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech Insider. Today we are looking at how AI is transforming 5 completely different industries. From professional sports to life-saving medicines. Let's get into it. First up, AI is now predicting injuries before they happen in professional sports. Professional sports teams are deploying AI systems that analyze player movement in real time to predict injuries before they occur. The NBA and Premier League have both adopted AI-powered biomechanical analysis that can flag fatigue patterns and potential injuries up to 72 hours before a human trainer would notice. Next, AI discovers new class of antibiotics in just 48 hours. Researchers at MIT and Harvard used an AI model to screen over 12 million chemical compounds and discovered a completely new class of antibiotics capable of killing drug-resistant superbugs. The AI accomplished in 2 days what would have taken traditional methods over a decade. Story 3. Tesla full self-driving goes fully autonomous with no human intervention. Tesla's full self-driving version 13 has achieved level 4 autonomy in 12 U.S. cities, meaning the cars can operate completely without human intervention in designated areas. The system handles complex intersections, pedestrian crossings, and emergency vehicles using a pure vision-based neural network. Number 4. AI voice cloning now so real it passed a mother's recognition test. AI voice cloning technology has crossed a disturbing threshold. In a controlled study, an AI-generated voice clone of a person's child was able to fool the child's own mother in a blind test. And finally, smart farms using AI are growing 40% more food with half the water. AI-powered precision agriculture is transforming farming. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras scan fields daily, and AI systems analyze the data to determine exactly how much water, fertilizer, and pesticide each individual plant needs. That's all for today. Subscribe for daily AI updates. I'll see you in the next one.